So as we go by the chain rule, it is cos u. Now u I have written for what? The entire thing here, root over cos of root x. So where u is root over cos x. So this is root over v, because we have single function v. So where v is cos of root x. So we write is equal to cos w, where w is root x. So look at what we are doing. We are trying and getting it as a direct function all over. So I have written y equal to cos u is a direct function. U as root over v is a direct function. V as cos w is a direct function. W as root x is a direct function. So now it is function of a function of a function of a function. So more than one function involved. We differentiate it with respect to the variable involved. So dy by du, y is a function of u, so this is minus sine u. U is a function of v, root over v it is, so 1 by 2 root v. V is a function of w, so we get dv by dw is minus sine w, and w is a function of x. So this is it. So dy by dx is y by du, du by dv, dv by dw, and dw by dx. So there are four functions. So now substitute the value. Dy by du is minus sine u, du by dv is 1 by 2 root v, dv by dw is minus sine w, and dw by dx is 1 by 2 root x. So get the answer. This minus minus plus 1 by 4 root over x into root over v. Now root over v, v is cos root x. So replace v with this into sine u, u is this. So sine of root over cos of root x into du by dv, that is 1 by v we have written. This is written into sine w, w is root over x. So basically this is the same thing which I did earlier. I am doing the same thing. Differentiation of, look at the answer from here to here. Cos of this, sine of this. Okay? So I repeat. Cos of this is minus sine of this. Then root over this is 1 by 2 root this. Then cos of root x is again minus sine of root x. So the 2 minus is plus. And then root x is 1 by 2 root x. So this is how we do it. Now when it comes up problem is like this only, you can do it in different steps like that. But I come to a sum where you cannot go by it, it's such a long way. So the next one I am coming to. Now this is sum of two terms. So sum of two terms will be the differential coefficient of the terms separately. So we can go it by this. So let this be u plus v. So u is a function of x, v is a function of x. Dy by dx is differentiation of u plus v is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So to get u is equal to sine root x. Now this is not a direct function, it's function of a function. So I write it as sine t. V I cannot write because I have taken v. So write it as sine t. So where t is root over x. So now look at this. Y is a function of t. So we get, u is a function of t. So differentiating u with respect to t is cos t. I put the value here only. And then t is a function of x. So dt by dx is this. So du by dx is du by dt into dt by dx. Similarly, we go for v. V is equal to root over 1 minus x square. We rewrite it as root over w, where w is so v is a function of w. So dv by dw is 1 by 2 root w. W is a function of x. So dv by dx we have to find dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. So du by dx here cos root x by 2 root x, dv by dx is minus x by so this is the process which we follow, sum of 2. But in the exam and all that, you cannot go for so long methods. Okay, so I do another one for you directly, right? So the next one you look at here. So this is again sum of 2. Now I am not doing u, v and all that, right? So du by dx so differentiating this, we put u, v and w, but what I said in the beginning, sine of this will be cos of this. So this is cos of this into differentiation of root over this is 2 root this into differentiation of 1 minus x square is this. So all that I did in one step. Okay, so differentiation of sine of this will be cos of this. Differentiation of root over 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square is 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square, and differentiation of x square is minus 2x. Then this is product of two functions. So x square into differentiation of cos 4x plus 4x, cos 4x . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . So this cancels, minus x cos plus, now x square, differentiation of cos 4x is 4 sin 4x. We multiply with the coefficient of x. So cos 4x will be sin 4x, and then multiplying with the coefficient of x, that is 4. So that is minus 4 here, and this is plus 2x cos 4x is the answer. So you can do it directly like this, and in fact you are expected to do it directly like this. You don't go for so long. Okay. There is another type which I go on, and then some assignments for you, right?